Hey, good morning. Time to wake up. 5 more minutes, please. No way! You'll be late for school. But I'm so tired. I went to bed late. That's exactly why you need to get up now. Fine, I'm getting up. Slowly. Come on, the sun is shining. Breakfast is ready. What's for breakfast? Your favorite omelet and milk? Okay, I'm up. Good! Don't forget to brush your teeth! Yeah, I know, Mom.